Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Great Wall Steed, stock number 5948. This ran from 07-2016 to the 12th 2021. Has a K2 2-litre 4-cylinder diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a K2 2-litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. The front headlight, front bonnet, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear taillight. Right rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear door, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear stick. AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.